Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best camping utensils for dining in the great outdoors and market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. GSI Outdoors Destination Kitchen Set 24. The GSI Outdoors Destination Kitchen Set gives you everything you need to prepare meals outdoors and eat them too. It even comes in a carrying case to keep all the utensils together in a complete cutlery and meal preparation set. Fine dining in the woods. Be the king of the outdoor kitchen with the Destination Kitchen Set. This set features tools to cook and prep for any gourmet adventure. Feast in the forest. Every Destination Kitchen set includes 4 forks, 4 spoons, 4 knives, a collapsible whisk, pivot spoon, pivot spatula, utility knife, spice shaker, 2 condiment containers, cutting board, scrubber, camp towel, and a ballistic outer case. Compact camping. Have a stress-free adventure with the easy-to-pivot spatula and spoon. All you have to do is rotate the tools from working to stored, and you are ready to explore. Number 9. Hikenture TM 4-in-1 Camping Utensil Stainless Steel Fork Knife Spoon Bottle Opener Set with Storage Case. Hikenture offers two deluxe 4-in-1 set of camping utensils for eating on the go or at camp. Enjoy the benefits of detachable fork, spoon, and knife that come apart easily when you need them for individual use, and they go back together for convenient and compact storage. Looking for a light, compact, but fully portable camping utensils? You just found it! Equipped with a detachable fork, spoon, knife, and bottle opener set, our camping cutlery set is easy to store in your pocket or pack, so you'll always be prepared, the perfect companion on the go. Save space and weight in your pack with this 5-ounce camping flatware. Measured at a pocket size, 1.6 by 4.2 inch, it comes with a nylon pouch so that you can bring it when go camping, backpacking, car travel, hiking, fishing, picnic, barbecue, or even in the office. Just unfold your camping eating utensils and enjoy your delicious meal with your family. Number 8. Roaming Cooking 3-piece Stainless Steel Knife, Fork, Spoon. The Roaming Cooking 3-piece utensil set gives you the best solution for backpacking, camping, or any time you need to prepare meals or eat on the go. It's the complete set of eating utensils in one compact set that won't take up much space and is extremely light for ease of carrying when you need to travel light. The Roaming Cooking 3-piece utensil set features a smoother finish than many of the other sets. Although some like larger utensils, these are some of the largest that can still boast a lightweight and compact size. They're inexpensive, but not cheaply built, and overall, a good value for the cost. Number 7. Tapyrus 5-spork of Steel Utensils Set. Campers, hunters, and sportsmen will appreciate this set of 5 all-purpose eating utensils. It's one of the lightest and most compact sets made for saving space and providing you with everything you need to eat a meal, open a bottle, or even cut a steak with full-sized utensils. The ultimate spork mess kit set for all. If you are looking for effective ways to make camping an easy and hassle-free experience, then we got you covered. We proudly present you this wonderfully crafted stainless steel spork set of 5 utensils that will become your favorite camping buddy from now on. Eating anything outdoors has never been that easy. High-quality stainless steel cutlery construction. Forget all about cheaply made sporks that would go bending after a while and lose shape, and trust our durable spoon, fork, and knife combination silverware. Made from high-quality stainless steel, we can assure you that our modern cutlery will never corrode or rust, for the many fishing lake explorations have yet to come. Number 6. Durable and lightweight metal multi-tool. The CRKT Eden tool is the perfect solution for hikers, backpackers, and campers who need to conserve on space. This cutlery set combines the fork and spoon and even includes a multi-tool that features a knife, screwdriver, and bottle opener in one convenient set. Spoon? Check. Bottle opener? Check. With this unique outdoor multi-tool, you'll be checking off a lot of things without having to dig too far into your pack. Our eat-in tool is the brainchild of designer Leon of Palm Bay, Florida. At first glance, it looks like the familiar spoon/fork sport combination, but Leon has used his ingenuity and computer-aided design skills to create a lightweight, high-tech outdoor tool. A large central hole is not only designed for finger gripping, but it also keeps the eat-in tool weight down. At just 1.5 ounces, 43 g, this multi-tool doesn't just look good on paper. In its attractive chrome color, it looks good to the eye too. Number 5. Titanium Utility Cutlery Set. Titanium material makes this utility cutlery set the most durable and bend-proof utensil set for camping on the market today. This versatile set even comes with the bonus of chopsticks for camping, home, or anywhere else you might need to have a quick bite to eat. Heavy checkmark, super strong and ultra lightweight, Finest City Pure 3-piece titanium cutlery set is very sturdy, lightweight, and easy to handle. They are 100% titanium. Each set is just 1.76 oz/50 gm in total weight. You get a camping knife, spoon, fork in this camping utensil set. The dimensions of new improved knife is 7.2 inch/18.3 cm, spoon is 6.3/16 cm, and fork is 6.5/16.5 cm in length, and each piece is 15 gm in weight. It comes with carabiner clip. You can be used solely as a key carrier or to hold things. Number 4. Navarez Titanium Camping Cutlery Set. The Navarez Titanium Camping Cutlery Set ranks as the best lightweight camping utensil because the 3-piece set, constructed from titanium, weighs a mere 1.8 ounces, which breaks down to 0.6 ounces per piece. The fork, knife, and spoon are all sized to fit most anyone's hands. The fork is possibly the best out of all of the tested models, easily stabbing through salads and meats alike. The spoon felt like a higher-end soup spoon or a larger dessert spoon. However, the only issue with the set was the knife. It's shaped like a scalpel and tears apart the steak rather than slicing through it, but it worked fine after a good sharpening. While the set is made from titanium, it's not as durable as you'd think, especially for heavy-handed users. While it bent with a little pressure, it also easily formed back to its original shape. Still, the titanium will hold up against the elements. Number 3. The Muncher. The single-piece camping utensil by Full Windsor, dubbed the Muncher, ranks as the best for cooking because it cuts, peels, and opens cans like a charm. It's not much for eating, but it really shines for cooking. While we're listing the Muncher as an eating utensil, Full Windsor lists it as a multi-tool because it's designed for 9 functions. It may not look like much, but the tools include a serrated blade, a deep spork, a peeler, a bottle opener, a can opener, a cord cutter, a flathead screwdriver, and a pry bar. However, during testing, we found out it kind of sucks as a fork. The tines are too wide and short to adequately stab food, and shoveling food in your mouth was like using a wheelbarrow with spikes. Plus, if you eat right-handed, you risk the knife blade pressing into your skin. I also wouldn't recommend using it as a pry bar. The Muncher by Full Windsor is a bit on the pricey side, right around $40 last we checked, but it's made from titanium, which tends to be a premium tool metal. Number 2. UCO Switch Spork 2-piece. The Switch Spork takes the Best Budget Award because it's simple and functional, and provides a lot more value than the $8 you pay for it. The 2-piece design actually functions as 3 pieces: fork/spork, spoon, and knife. Although describing the Switch Spork is confusing, it does make sense when you see it. The spork functions as 1 piece while the spoon and knife are 1 unit. UCO designed the spoon's handle to function as a knife blade, which is supposed to stay sheathed inside the fork until you need it. The 2 units secure together with an elastic lanyard. Additionally, the Switch Spork was constructed from BPA and phthalate-free high-strength, reinforced, and temperature-resistant glass nylon. As an eating utensil, the Switch Spork performed well. The spoon scooped up soup with no problem, and the plastic serrated blade sliced through steak without issue, but the fork wasn't the best at piercing steak or broccoli. Number 1. Orblue 4-in-1. The Orblue 4-in-1 ranks as the best overall camping utensil because, out of all the utensils we tested, it was the easiest one to eat with. While it's equipped with a fork, spoon, and a knife that doubles as a bottle opener, you can actually remove the fork and use it in conjunction with the other utensils. Out of the box, the fork speared food without issue and the knife blade was sharp enough to cut meat and vegetables. Orblue constructed the 4-in-1 from stainless steel, so it'll last you as long as you don't leave it outside for an extended period of time. The only drawback was that it was a little bulky and heavy with everything packed into one. For about $13, the Orblue 4-in-1 comes as a combo set, so you get 2 units and a nylon carrying case. It's also available in 6 different colors. Make eating out in the wild simple. This camping flatware tool lets you easily scoop, cut, and spear your meals. Plus, it fits perfectly in your pack or pocket.